Good day everyone, so this is Master Shi and now I will be teaching you how to import brushes in your Photoshop file. Okay, kasi most of us usually use Photoshop to design our posters, to design our posts, to design anything. Okay, tarpaulins, birthday banners to our loved ones. Okay, so how are you going to import brushes in Photoshop? Usually, we always do use brushes here in the tools. Okay, this is the brush tool. So you can add brushes by right clicking your mouse and then just click the brush that you want to use. You may add or resize it, okay, and then you may now use it on your canvas. Okay, the tip that I'm going to give you is that, okay, when you use brushes you always add new layers, okay, so that you can easily manipulate your brushes. So you can resize, okay, and then you can use it as a background in your canvas and then just click apply, okay, so that you can easily put it anywhere you want there, and then just click there, apply. Okay, so the same with your other brushes. As you can see, this brush, okay, I was not able to add layers or separate that into layers. That is why I cannot move it anymore. Okay, there. So if I'm going to go to the background, I cannot move it because it's already on the canvas. Okay, that's that um, disadvantages of not creating a layer for your brush. Okay, so what will happen is that if you want to delete it, you just use eraser tool and then erase that brush. Okay, unlike the other one, since I separated it using a layer, I can move, I can put anywhere I want, and then I can resize my brush. Okay, so that's the technique of using brushes. Now, what if, okay, you want to add more brushes because you don't want to use some of the brushes installed here. Okay, example, your theme is birthday and that you need a birthday brushes. Okay, so what will you do? Go to Google and then type here free Photoshop brushes, and then look for a website wherein they offer free brushes. Okay? And since nag-exceed na ako sa brush easy, I will not use it anymore. So I'm going to look for other brushes. Okay? I can go to my photoshopbrushes.com there, and then I can the best thing about the my Photoshop brushes is it has brushes, patterns, custom shapes, styles, and gradients, okay, available na. Okay, so hindi mo na kailangan maghanap pa sa Google. Okay, if you want to add more patterns, if you want to add more styles and shapes. So nasa brushes pa tayo, so I'm going to look for categories. Okay, example, I want to use brushes, and then I will find some brushes that I will be using for my activity. Example, I want to use retro roses brushes, so just double click. Okay, so there, these are the brushes below. Okay, so all you have to do is click download. Okay, so it's here already. So as you can see, it is compressed as a zip file. Okay, kung wala kayong zip file or wala kayong WinRAR, pwede kayo mag-install. Okay, you can just go to Google and then type WinRAR there, Okay, and then just click download for your version. Okay, and then look for download mirror. Okay, and then just let it download here on your screen and then install it. Okay, just install it in your computer so that um, you can extract the brushes that you downloaded. So just go to show and folder. So ito na siya, 11 roses brushes. So I'm going to extract it to 11 roses. Why? Because I have to extract this to its own folder. So para meron siyang sariling folder, kailangan extract to 11. Okay, kung ano yung pangalan nung zip file. Okay, because if you're going to click extract here, all the files will be extracted here in your downloads. Okay, so it will be difficult for you to find the files. Okay, kasi hahalo na siya sa ibang mga downloaded files mo. Okay, so mas maganda kung extract to file 11 roses para meron siyang sariling folder. Okay, so ito na siya. So let's open. Ito na yung ABR file. Yan na yung gagamitin natin sa Photoshop. Okay, so right click. Okay, just click this button on top, then load brushes. Okay, and then let us use the 11 roses brushes here, ABR file, and then load. So it's here already. Okay, it's included already. So I'm going to add new layer, and then I can now resize. Masyadong malaki, so I'll resize it here. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color, for example, black. There. Okay, so that's the effect of black. Okay, and then if you want to change its color to green, pwede rin naman. Okay, so for example, you want to change the flower and then resize and then change its color. Click OK. There. Okay, right click, resize, and then yeah. Okay, so that's how you add brushes on your canvas. Okay, now how about layer style? Layer style is located here on top. Okay, so for example, you want to type computer here, and then you want to add layer style on your text or photos. So all you have to do is go to styles here, and then you may click the different styles available on the styles. So if this is limited only, okay, so if you want to add more, okay, so you just have to click this, okay, new style, and then just look for other layer styles available here below, and then just click append, so it will be added here on the list. Okay, so you can now use those styles available here in your Photoshop. So what if you want to download new layer styles that will be matched to your canvas? Okay, so for example, gusto mo ng ibang styles kasi nasasawa ka sa mga styles in Photoshop. So you just go to your my Photoshop brushes here. Meron din silang styles, this one. So just go to styles and gradients. Okay, so they have it also there. So there are different styles that you can use. Yeah, so you just choose one. Okay, so kung gusto niyo pa na madami, just click show more. So these are the styles that you can use. So for example, I want to use this one. Getting Photoshop styles, just click there. Okay, so ito na siya. So just click download here. There. So, just click show in folder. So, ito na siya. So, drink styles, right-click. Extract to drink styles. Okay, para may sarili siyang folder. Okay, ito na siya. Drink styles. Here, ASL file naman kapag layer style. Okay, so just click here, load styles, and then go to downloads, and then look for the drink styles. Here, yeah, load. So it's already here below, so you can now use it for your work. Cancel. Okay. And there. Okay. So these are the layer styles in Photoshop. Okay. So that's all. I hope you've learned something new. Please don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel. Thank you.